Alright everyone, in today's video, I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen. This time we're going to teach you how to unlock, format and restore your Samsung A32 to remove the password or PIN. Remember that this procedure will erase everything stored in its memory. It's a good idea to remove your SIM card and memory card as well. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode. Then you go and select the unlock option. In a bit, I'll talk about how to remove the Google account if you need to do that as well. Alright, so let's get started. On this screen where it's asking you to enter the PIN or password, or on this emergency screen, I'd rather leave it here, you'll press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here to make it easier for you to unlock it, alright? Let's go then, volume down and power. First we'll do the procedure without the cable. If needed we can repeat it with the cable. Keep holding. Release the volume down, press the volume up since it's already restarted. When the Samsung logo appears, release the power button. It's not when the logo flashes, it's when the name appears like this. Release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here like I said until it enters recovery mode, okay? This is recovery mode. I want to give you a tip that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, alright? Now go down by pressing the volume down button. Let's go to the fifth option where it says wipe data factory reset, confirm with the power button, go down again with the volume down and confirm again. Let's wait here. On this next screen, confirm again. Here your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it will come back without that screen lock password. You just need to set it up normally to access your device. If you need to unlock the Google account on this device or any other model, we can also do this unlocking remotely. Our number will be in the video description or in the channel description. If you want, you can contact me to check the price for unlocking your device. You'll just need a computer, a USB cable, and the AnyDesk app so we can have remote access. If you do not currently possess the application, we will promptly transmit it to you. We will absolutely not send you the specific programs or software applications that we utilize for the unlocking process. What we will in fact send to you is solely the remote access program, okay? So all of the intricate unlocking procedures and operations will be meticulously performed by us, alright? Our number will be there. You can contact us or ask any other questions you might have. If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.